Hi, I'm here to talk to you about Druva SaaS data protection for MSPs and what's in it for you. I'm Jesse Gambetti, the worldwide leader for MSP programs here at Druva. I know that our MSPs have a pretty difficult challenge in terms of becoming profitable. Initially, when developing a new service catalog item, it means investing in infrastructure, software, people, and data center space typically. And in those pieces, you have to develop in a mechanism by which to become profitable and have strong margins. Through that, it typically means putting assets into leases or to capex up front, very large purchases, and can draw those expenses down in order to get to profitability. What we typically see is in any given 36-month contract with an end user, you're likely to see profitability somewhere in the neighborhood of month 18 to 24. But what if something doesn't go right? What if that customer were undersized or oversized? This creates a concept of contract compression. In those events, you now have a short period of time to recover your investments or renegotiate a much longer contract with your customer. This can be problematic and it can drive typically to lower margins. What we know is that any kind of investment in a data protection service means that margins are going to be thin if anything goes wrong. That could be poor performance, that could be a lack of an SLA adherence, it could be one patching that has gone wrong. At Druva, because we're all SaaS data protection, there are no elements of patching, server management, waterfall management of assets, any of those components, because there is no hardware, there is no software, and we're highly efficient, allowing you to manage your service and focus on the outcome for your customer rather than running that service in order to be efficient. That means we're able to protect your margins and put you in a position to be successful. No capex risk, no design up front, or not a deep and detailed design up front. Instead, just a limited knowledge of what a customer has and how you can protect it is all that's necessary in order to be successful and have very, very strong margins. And those margins start day one. The way we've designed our program is to focus on our MSPs getting to time to margin, time to revenue as quickly as possible. What that means is self-provisioning for tenants, the ability to spin them up in hours to work through a backlog that we're all experiencing as part of the supply chain. SaaS enables you to be agile and efficient, to meet new tenant workloads quickly and efficiently, to expand portfolio and meet demands for apps that you didn't know a customer was going to be onboarding. The ability to onboard a new application quickly in hours once a customer tells you that need is really something that's only available through a SaaS platform. We're cloud first, and we know all of our customers have a strategy to go to cloud. We're your vehicle to get to cloud, to manage cloud, and to support them in cloud. Additionally, we've really gone out of our way to avoid massive risk for our MSPs. That means no capex up front, a subscription baseline with utility overage, which means if your business were to have a major windfall or perhaps have a retraction, running in utility is an option for you, and you can continue to run that way until things even out. We're really looking forward to talking to you here at Druva, whether you're a current MSP partner of ours or a new partner. We think we can put you in a position to be extremely successful, and I hope you'll reach out. Thank you.